I'm Ella. I'm here to give you a tour of the Kaskala Servant Leadership House. So this is just going to be a quick tour to give you some of the highlights of the house. So in this house we have 4 bedrooms, 1 downstairs and 3 upstairs. And then coming this way, we go right into the living room and dining room area where the house has our weekly house meetings. We have dinner, hang out, watch some movies, play some games, do some homework, just everyday stuff in here. Then coming in here, we have our half bath, which has the laundry, and our small pantry where we keep our food. And then this is the kitchen where we do all the cooking. We have the 1 fridge, which we all keep our food in, but oftentimes people have mini fridges where we keep just like snacks and Gatorades and stuff. And then coming this way, we have the back stairs leading upstairs. And right here we have the shower room where we have 2 showers that we share and the large vanity mirror. We have this octopus mural, which one of our past residents actually painted. Then we have the upstairs half bath. So this hall leads to the 3 bedrooms, which typically holds 3 to 5 girls, depending on how many residents are in here this year. We do have private rooms up here, so not everyone does have to share. Those typically go to the seniors or the longer lasting residents of the house. And then the stairs leading downstairs. If you'd like to learn more about the Kaskala Servant Leadership House, you can go to finlandia.edu for more information.